faculty and students, and invited guests and friends. It gives Neeta and me immense pleasure to be here with you this evening. This evening for me has been an experience which I cannot put in words. I told AR that I had some inclination when he told me that he is planning a conservatory, but what I have seen has exceeded my expectation by 100 times. So my real warm congratulations. I think that this is an institution that not only everybody in India but the whole world can be proud of. Today is Eid, and let me start off with wishing all of you Eid Mubarak. The holy month of keeping Rojas is over, and I am here with Neeta to celebrate a person who became a musical sensation all over India with the film Roja. I remember the entire nation began to hum the song Dil Hai Chhota Sa, Chhoti Si Hai Asha, and that is till date Neeta's favorite song. Whenever she meets AR, she will always ask him to hum that. And suddenly, AR, you have become a household name. People, myself included, wondered, who is this young music director from Chennai who has taken Bollywood by storm with his very first film? It was like a teenage cricketer scoring a double century on debut in Test cricket. Even at that time, 20 years ago, I told Neeta, and in fact Neeta told me, that your creativity, we didn't know you then, was set to soar. चांद तारों को छूने की आशा, आसमानों में उड़ने की आशा. AR was perhaps singing this for himself. Now he has become a bright star in the firmament of global music. The legend who made the world sing to the tune of Jai Ho. Rahman, you are truly the pride of India. You are a maestro, an institution. You are today India's musical ambassador to the world. Yet, what all of us like about you is you are also the ambassador of humility. You are the best example of making one's work speak for itself every day. Neeta and I admire not only A.R. Rahman, the musician, but also A.R. Rahman, the man. We have been fortunate to get to know you in the past few years, and I always admire what you do for your family. I have seen the close bond between you and Saira ji, which I relate to, and for me, spending time with the family, looking after your children is very important, no matter how successful you are. And that is the reason that I admire you. Your deep love for your mother is well known, and equally well known is your love for Mother India. By teaming up with Bharat, who is here today, Rahman rendered Vande Mataram in a completely new way that ignited the spirit of nationalism in India. Your music video Ma Tujhe Salam actually reintroduced the national song with all its patriotic fervor to the young generations of Indians, including my own 3 children. When I think of you, I think of innovation. You have given Indian music a makeover, a flavor of the new, and you have perfectly married technology and music to create sounds that delight us. Music that we have never heard before. And rightly, the Time magazine called you the Mozart of Madras. With every new creation of yours, you bring magic to music. A magician who brings joy to people through your sheer talent. Talent that I believe is truly a gift of God. Friends, with the creation of KM Conservatory, Rahman has given us an absolutely new reason to admire him. I now understand when he told me that he teaches music for passion and not for fashion. The 1 hour that I spent really made me appreciate the passion that you have and how you have combined Western, Indian and made it truly global. Your guest faculty, your enlightened global faculty that we saw today is truly path-breaking. And really, this has transported me into a very different world. It now has made me understand your passion for music and the very fact that you would now be training hundreds of young children from not only all over India but all over the world truly makes me salute you, AR. My warm congratulations. Friends, I am not a musician, nor do I understand the technicalities of music. But like most Indians, I am a music lover, and music is indeed a passion for me and our family. There is something about music that gives it such power over us. Music has no language. Music is rightly described as the shorthand to human emotions. It induces feelings and moods and even actions. All of us have had the experience of being transported to a different place, a different era, a different time zone, and a different world. Some of our first memories are those of our mothers and grandmothers singing lullabies for us. Communities and cultures across the world sing and dance together in celebration. All classes and religions are tied together with the thread of music. Music is the greatest global unifier. It has the power to bring the world together. It is a tool of peace and a vehicle of relationships. In the music world, there is respect, love, family, community, and commitment. And with the establishment of this conservatory, AR, you have become an institution builder and an institution leader. Hence, the right way to describe Rahman is that he now has become an ustad, a guru of music. Friends, Rahman has set up this institution at a time of great change in the music industry. We ourselves at Reliance are building the next generation internet for India, and I believe that internet has emerged as a big disruptor of the traditional models of music education and music business. With new ways of making music and newer avenues of sharing them with the world, the opportunities are endless. New and affordable electronic systems are now available for recording, playing, and composing. There are always ways to share ideas, content, and software with your contemporaries. I see the few artists to many listeners relationship morphing into many artists, many listeners model. In other words, I expect music as an industry to become increasingly democratized in the future. And with AR, who is not only a music genius, but also a technology genius at the helm of KM, each one of the students and faculty is uniquely placed to ride this wave. And you have correctly called this college the College of Music and Technology, because technology, I believe, will define music. And I also believe for all the young students that there never has been a better time to be a musician than in these coming years. Young friends, I always talk about the crucial importance of soft power for India to become a superpower. And I believe music and all of you can play a big role in this. But what is soft power? It is one of those things that is difficult to define but easy to understand. One can say that it is a superior attribute or quality because of which a nation is not only admired but also respected. The durable appeal of soft power comes from value systems of society. It comes from a nation's heritage of culture, art, and spirituality, all of which manifest the higher purpose of human existence on this planet. India's soft power flows from the noble ideas, ideals, and values that our civilization has always cherished. Soft power appeals to the heart and soul in a way that hard power never can. It is India's soft power that enabled it to conquer other lands without sending a single soldier across its border. A.R. Rahman, you yourself have been a great exemplar of India's soft power. It is this soft power that each one of you young students is armed with. You represent India not as soldiers, but as ambassador of a country where music is considered a spiritual phenomenon. That is India's great advantage over the world. India has a bright future, and you students are the flag bearers and custodian of India's future. Your talent and hard work will shape the future. You are a product of one of the finest music schools of the world, and you have the best teachers in the world, and one among them being the most iconic, Shri A.R. Rahman. The KM Conservatory is an effort of exceptional significance. It seeks to address, guide, and channelize the creative energies and talent of youth. It is an exemplary fusion of dreams and determination. Dear students, the experience here will launch you on a highway of trials, challenges, and opportunities. I wish each one of you a triumphant march as you journey towards your goal. With these words, Neeta and I once again congratulate our dear friend Shri A.R. Rahman, the founder of this noble vision and inspiring enterprise. Congratulations, my friend.